Now, do you sleep for 7 8 hours and still wake up feeling not refreshed, not energetic, not enthusiastic for the day? Do you require a coffee or a strong tea to get your day started? If this is you, then the sleep is not the issue, the recovery is the issue. Hi, my name is Dr. Ojas Joshi and I hold a PhD in medicine and have been a practitioner of music and music therapy for my entire life. I happen to wear two hats. One is the academic hat of medicine and the other one is of a musician. And I have done my Sangeet Visharad in Shastriya Sangeet and have been on a mission to help all of you use music as a tool to heal your mind and body. Now let's understand why you are not feeling fresh. It's not about the sleep, but it is about the recovery that you have done in the sleep. To give you an example, sometimes when you go out with friends and even sleep for like 3 hours during that friends overnight trip, the next day also you have that energy and you have that excitement to go and check out some waterfalls and some other places in that area. So that proves that even 3 hours of sleep is giving you that energy for the next couple of hours. So let me say it again. It's not the sleep, but it is the recovery that is not happening in the sleep. Let us understand from a scientific perspective what is recovery and how you can recover in your sleep. From a scientific perspective, the recovery tends to be poor when you are constantly surrounded with stress and anxiety throughout the day. Your nervous system is constantly in the sympathetic mode even when you are in sleep. Physically, you are lying down, physically, you are on the bed, but mentally and nervous system wise, you are on the go and it is not recovering from the day's fatigue. You may have noticed that this pattern of completely recovering is not a 1 day or 2 day. It starts happening after a certain period of time, and now the sleep is not giving you that sort of recovery as it used to give you in your earlier time. To share you my experience, I always used to monitor my sleep patterns through using this Samsung watch and used to see that, oh, I have slept 8 hours, now I should be good to go for the day. But the Samsung watch always used to give me the alert saying that you need to rest more, you need to recover more. And that's when it got me in the mode of studying what is recovery. So now that we have understood the scientific aspect of why you are not recovering in the sleep, let us understand how to fix and how to make sure that you completely recover during your sleep. Going back to what I said, if you give some sort of signals to your body and specifically to your nervous system that it's time to unwind, relax, let go and get into the recovery mode, that's when your body will slowly over the course of time get into that relaxed and in that recovery mode. Now these signals can be any and everything. Back in the old days, these signals were saying some prayers before sleeping, or having a dinner together, or watching television before you go to sleep, etc. etc. There are different techniques which you can use, which would give a signal to your nervous system that okay, enough, it's time now to relax. I personally use the music therapy and the application of music. I believe everybody nowadays listens to some or other form of music in their bedroom and then falls asleep. Yoga Nidra is a classic example of how you can enter into a complete recovery and a relaxed state. And if you are a yoga practitioner, you already know what Yoga Nidra does to you. So in my case, I use music therapy. There are particular frequencies, there are particular ragas, there are particular notations that which if you hear before you sleep, it sends a strong signal to your body telling it to relax, let go, and completely recover. Now, if you want to hear these frequencies, I invite you to the next 12 minutes of a silent experience of music therapy. Let me also tell you that this won't happen immediately, or this won't happen in the first day itself. Of course, after the 12-minute experience, you will feel relaxed and you will feel very sleepy. But if you really want to recover, if you really want to be the old you, I invite you to hear this particular song or particular rag or particular sound frequency for the next 7 days starting from today. And on the 8th day, I want you to come here and give me a comment. How is your recovery now? Alright? So make sure that you hear this sound before you go to sleep. Meaning you are in the bed and now you should be playing it. So if you're watching this video during the daytime, I would request you to just pause the video here and come back to the video in the evening and play it from here so that it starts sending a signal to your body to relax and completely enter the recovery mode. Alright, let's listen to this beautiful sound frequency and let's get into the recovery mode.
अलबेला सजन आयो रे अलबेला सजन आयो रे अलबेला सजन आयो रे अलबेला सजन आयो रे मोरा आत्मन सुख पायो रे मोरा आत्मन सुख पायो रे अलबेला सजन आयो रे अलबेला सजन आयो रे अलबेला 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 चौख पुरावो मंगल गावो चौख पुरावो ओ चौख पुरावो चौख पुरावो मंगल गावो मंगल गावो चौख पुरावो मंगल गावो चौख पुरा चौख पुरावो मंगल गावो मन रंग निसा पायो रे अलबेला सजन आयो रे अलबेला सजन आयो रे अलबेला सजन आयो रे आयो रे आयो रे आयो रे अलबेला सजन आयो रे रे ना रे ना रे ना ना Ah